and today I'm going to share with you how to make ice cream using the Laffy Taffy ice cream maker. I already assembled the parts together, as you can see. If you haven't yet, then I suggest you pause this video for a minute and take some time to put the parts together. But here's a quick tip before you do. You must fill the chilling tanks with 6 teaspoons of salt and some crushed ice. Okay, back to ice cream making. These are the ingredients you'll be needing. You'll need half a cup of cream, half a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 to 3 drops of vanilla extract. I'm mixing all the ingredients together. If you want, you can add some fruits for say strawberry and banana. So you'll need to mash half a cup out of them and mix them into the mixture. But I don't really like fruits in my ice cream, so I'm just going to be making plain vanilla ice cream. Once you're done mixing, then put your mixture into the fridge for 30 minutes. There's no need to freeze the liquids first. So I'm going to put my ice cream mixture into the fridge, and all you have to do is wait. Hi, I'm back. So it's been 30 minutes. I took the ice cream mixture out of the refrigerator, and now I'm going to get to the best parts, where I get to put ice cream into the ice cream maker. So, lift the bowl up, put about 4 teaspoons into the hole. After you feel like you put enough of the ice cream mixture, then turn the handle clockwise. After about 2 minutes, you start to see ice cream forming into the chilling tanks. Sometimes 2 minutes can seem awfully long, but if you remain patient, then your ice cream will probably turn out really well. When you start to see the ice cream forming on the top of the chilling tanks, then press the scrapers down to the lowest position and then turn the handle anti-clockwise. Oh yay! It's starting to come out! Wow! Well, the ice cream's looking very watery, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed making your Laffy Taffy ice cream just how I did, but I'm sorry I don't get to taste my ice cream and let you know on the feedback, but I just hope your ice cream comes out better, and yes, I'm going to try again. So bye, please like and subscribe down since I put a lot of effort. Bye!